When the tenant comes over to tell the property owner that they want to start the flower business and fruit and vegetable, they will be offered with the entrance. This is one of the biggest seafood shop in this Lok Fu Market. And they have fish from the local. They also have Prof from Alaska. So we spend 20 minutes to shop around to buy what you want. All these ingredients, after you purchase them, make sure you wash them very thoroughly, okay? So washing is very important.
It's gnocchi with vegetables, and we call it sun vegetables in France. My mom used to cook the vegetable like this when I was younger, and my grandma told me how to make gnocchi in Italy. So.
即係網上面話佢都係一個適合新手煮嘅嘢食，咁我哋就想試下，同埋都想煮下啲西式嘢。
用的這些調料，比如說話梅和巴德香葉也是比較傳統的，所以我們就想把這道傳統的中國菜帶到香港。
I'm gonna try it for the first time. I never cooked it, but I tried it back in France. We're gonna see how it goes.
We make the first pork. It is a traditional food in China.
I have never seen such a beautiful dishes, in one go, and all the chefs are very passionate. The cooking area is limited, but everyone finds its own space.
Didn't taste that yet, so hope it's good.
我哋而家就係做緊兩個 food test 嘅，咁一個咧就係做緊呢個食物裏邊嘅油嘅含量啦，咁另一個就係做緊食物裏邊鹽嘅含量嘅。
It's not just the technique, it's so much related to your culture. And that culture is passing on from generation to generation.
I like our sauce and I like the team too.
I like the dessert.
Pumpkin soup.
I think the ratatouille was really good.
Each team is paying so much effort and concentrated in your cooking. Please give yourself a big round of applause again.